Go see that new stuff? Okay. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. What is that? I know, the boat vibrates, don't it? Good girl. Come and see what it is. Honda puppy. I want to go back and nap. Well, that's a good girl. At least you're not running from it. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Don't you want to see what this thing is? I'm going to go back to nap, and that's all I want to do right now. But we're not running from the sound. That's good girl. We're heading back. I'm going to go, see? Take me back to bed. Good girl. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Hello, girl. You want to see the plastic? Yeah, this is a good puppy. Good girl. I know. We're going back in a minute. We're going back in a minute. Hello, girl. Yeah. It's moving. What's it doing? Huh? Wind blowing it? Yeah, what a good puppy you are.